I started a joke which started the whole world laughing, crying. Which is it? I think it's crying. But I couldn't see that the joke was on me. Bee Gees? Bee Gees. I looked at the sky, running my hands over my eyes, when I, la-dee-dee-dum, ho-ka-hey, ho-ka-hey. Cousin Missy's here this morning. Hey, BOOZHOO, Missy, what's going on, my cousin? And Diane Goo. I think Diane doesn't have the energy to type out good morning. She just went goo. Or maybe she's just saying goo, like a baby. Maybe Diane's into baby talk, and it's all gaga goo goo. Maybe she's a Lady Gaga fan. I don't know if that's true. Hey, what's going on, Diane? And Wally Bear, Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning, Wally Bear. That's what's going on. Oh, here comes Sequoia Hummingbird. Sequoia's here, sweetie. Hey, BOOZHOO, Sequoia Hummingbird. Diane goes, well, that was rude. The program interrupted my post, left me with goo. She was left with goo all over her hands. So let's get this show on the road, sweetie. BOOZHOO! And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo. This is Natasha. BOOZHOO Kakina Awiya. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show. And hoa, over here, the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. Zikadon BOOZHOO Niji. Say hello, brother. Hey, everyone, welcome back to the show. And today, on this Abituse, sweetie, we are here. Oh, crap. Didn't I change it? I thought I changed this. I thought you did too. Nope. Wait, no, I think I changed it, then I didn't save it. Today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, right? Yep, it's halfway. Wednesday. Halfway through the week. And in Ojibwe, we call this Abituse. And to sing it, you take the... What's the melody? I think the melody is the Lone Ranger song. Abattoose, 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 who say? I got to say, abattoose, who say, hey, abattoose, who say, hey, Abituse. Wednesday. Okay, so there's that. There's that. How you doing? I'm good. What are we going to talk about today? I don't know. I'm kind of thrown now that I didn't have the right text. I'm getting thirsty. I need to drink. Noonday Minnequay. I'm thirsty. Noonday Minnequay, noonday Minnequay, noonday Minnequay, noonday Minnequay. Well, if you're thirsty, then Minnequay, drink. I don't even have my coffee cup out here. I don't either. What am I supposed to drink if I don't have any coffee? When you're down in the dumps and you need something to bring you up, there's only one thing that's going to do it the way you want it. Cold gin. Cold gin! You think I should be drinking cold gin first thing in the morning? I can't hear you. Nah. I'm sorry, folks. Every once in a while, Natasha forgets that she's not Paul Stanley and doing crowd work. Nah. I can't hear you. Cold gin. old gin. My heater's broke. Minute drink. But if you're thirsty, you say, Nin, I'm noonday minute. I'm thirsty. Noonday minute, noonday minute, noonday minute, noonday minute, noonday minute, noonday minute. I like that call and return. Yeah. Noonday minute, noonday minute. Nah. I don't know. You know what this makes me think of? What? Our first BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Back in the days of the grandfathers. You gonna show the black medicine water video? Yeah, why not? Minute, if you're thirsty, actually, I don't think coffee is the best thing to drink when you're thirsty. No, you should probably drink water. You should drink water. Nibi. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is brought to you by Nibi. Bottled water. Tap water in a plastic bottle with an Ojibwe name. Nibi. Nibi water bottles. We gotta get a sponsor. We do have sponsors. What do you mean? Well, how about all the BOOZHOO crew send us, checks and super chats and the Patreons? Yeah, we gotta start doing something for the Patreon page. I know, that's in the works. Oh, right. Yeah. I'm not gonna talk about it yet because it's just gonna make it not happen soon enough. I know. But anyway, so if you're thirsty, drink some water. But if you want to feel right with the world, if you want to, if you're feeling like it's the first thing in the morning and you need something to bring you up, there's only one drink that's going to do it the way you want it. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mush. I always say that wrong. I know. It's not makare mush. It's makare mushkiki wabu. Makare, black. Mushkiki. Did I spell that right? I don't know. Mushkiki, medicine, wabu. Oh, and I hear everyone right now screaming at their laptops. Take it easy. I know I just said water was nibi, but when you sip the water, wabu or abu is often used with drinks that you have to sip. Like anibishabu is hot tea. Anibishabu. Jingweshi abu or something like that. What is wine? It's something like smiling, sipping water. Yeah. I think the word smile is in the word wine somehow. So black medicine water. And back in the days of the grandfathers, we had this crazy idea. It wasn't even that long ago. Kids, you're going to think we've been doing BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO since the 50s. Because this is what it looked like the first time we wanted to teach an Ojibwe word of the day, coffee. It's like black and white.
Okay then. Ani narashnabe dog. NANABOOZHOO. Oh, take two. Take two. Sorry.
Take two.
Sorry. I can do this. All right.
I don't think you can.
BOOZHOO narashnabe dog. NANABOOZHOO indigenous cause. Niman Wangam Oma Noon Kum. Hello. My name is NANABOOZHOO, and I'm happy to be here today. Let's see, what do I want to say today?
Why is it so blurry?
Okay, we're going to learn a new word.
That's because it's from the actual
what that
laptop
word is?
computer camera. That was
Coffee.
before we bought a
That's right.
webcam.
We're going to learn the Ojibwe word for coffee.
Whoops.
So, it's a big word, but it was the first word my grandpa ever taught me. So here it goes. Makare mashkiki wabu. That's right. Makare mashkiki wabu. Hard to say? Not at all. You can sing a song about it. Eh? All right.
Oh yeah, here's our first hit single.
Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya.
Niwi eya. I want.
Makere mashkiki wabu. Makere mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu. Makere mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu.
How many necklaces did I need to wear that day? I'm just clanking around.
Niwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu. I need coffee.
Yeah, you need more than
Okay,
that.
miigwech.
Oh look, there's
There you have
Michael's
it.
forehead.
Gigawaba, man. I'll see ya.
Yeah, see you later, Nanaboozhoo. And now Michael doesn't know how to shut off the camera. Look at me.
Okay, bye.
Oh, just cute. And there you have it. Makere mashkiki wabu. Black medicine water. Coffee. And I wanna welcome everyone today. Wena bojo. Welcome. Nabadabin. Sit. Sit down. Have some makere mashkiki wabu. Have some coffee with us. We're just hanging out here around the old podcast studio. Is that what this is? Yeah, I guess I'm calling this the podcast studio now. It used to be the cartooning studio and Michael drew more often. Hey, I still draw on here. You got to get back to work on that coloring book. Look, I only have so many hours in the day and I got to mow the lawn today. I'll mow the lawn. Get back to the drawing board. Michael's working on another coloring book. This is your first one, huh? Yep. He misspelled the word yay. Yay, give me one. Yay, it's raining. Except that's yay like in the Bible. I know. It's like yay though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death or something. Yeah. Yay, you should spell it Y-A-Y. I know. Yay, give me one. It's raining. And this coloring book, Michael, yeah, makes it rain dollar bills. I know. Don't be the last one in your class to order an English Ojibwe coloring book. I mean, everybody's got this coloring book now. Nah, it's just a cute coloring book, and you learn a few Ojibwe phrases. On sale now at Amazon.com. Does Amazon.com have a theme song? I don't know. We should write one for them. We could make some big bucks. We'll make some big bucks. Write the theme song for Amazon. No, you know what we should do, sweetie? Speaking of coffee. What's that? Let's record a Folgers commercial in all Ojibwe. The best part of waking up is makere moshkiki wabu. Yeah, exactly. Wouldn't that be awesome? I've thought for a long time that we should go into business, and all we have to do is go get a bunch of cheap, Folgers, instant whatever. Yeah. And then print up some stickers and just relabel it makere moshkiki wabu and sell it at powwows. Yeah, and sell it at powwows. That's a great... I don't know why we don't... How come no one's done that yet? I have no idea. Here's $1 million ideas. Go ahead and take it. I'm not copywriting this idea because it was Natasha's idea for one thing. Yeah. But go get some cheap whatever coffee and then go to the print shop, make a logo with, you got to make it look Indian. Hey, maybe they can get the girl from Land O'Lakes. Yeah, go take the Land O'Lakes logo girl, make a sticker, and then on the label, write Makare Mashkiki Wabu. And then underneath say Ojibwe for coffee. And then go into business selling authentic, real Native American coffee. Real Folgers rebranding. That's all we'd have to. And then we'll sing the song. We'll do a commercial. We'll get all stoic about it. Oh, I didn't fix the drum, did I? BOOZHOO. Welcome to Indian country. Yeah, I'll be like the spokesman. Okay. I'll have one tear coming down. I cannot drink the white man's coffee any longer. He has taken enough from us. Now I only drink Makare Mashkiki Wabu, black medicine water, the drink of our ancestors. So, Minakweda, let us drink. If you want to say let's drink, you just got to add a da at the end of the word. Minakweda. Minakweda. Makare Mashkiki Wabu. And this has been your Ojibwe phrase of the day. That's awesome. Thank you, sweetie. Hey, man, are we going to play that song? Yeah, were you going to play Superman? That's the name of this show. Yeah. But I also want to play 1,000 Years. 1,000 Years is better. I know. Sweetie. Yeah? Can I make a request? Well, sure. Would you mind playing a song on that great big old grand piano right over just off camera? Oh, sure. I'd be happy to. Here's a song. And I would love to hear, do you know the song 1,000 Years by whoever? Oh, from whatever? Yeah, I know that song. Okay, great. Here's the lovely and talented Natasha. She's going to sing 1,000 Years from that whoever on the whatever movie thing. And I think it's just lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha. Let me see. Heartbeat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer gentlemen, the lovely and the incredibly talented Natasha. Ah, get out of here! No, I mean it. That was gorgeous. And I like all those the pictures of Bagheera. Yeah. It was like you were singing a love song to our cat. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you. I've loved you for 1,000 years. How old are you anyway? I don't know. Only a vampire could say that. Ah, la, la. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? We got a call on line 2. Oh, really? Yeah, maybe I'll see who's on line 2. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. And welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Hee hee, shamoa. Hey, NANABOOZHOO. Hey, Michael Jackson. Welcome back to the show. Sweetie, look who's here. Well, hi, Michael Jackson. Hi, Natasha. NANABOOZHOO. I'm watching your show. Hee hee, shamoa. Hey, I'm so happy to hear you. Well, that you're watching the show. Yeah, it's wonderful. You know, you're really... Natasha, you got a beautiful singing voice. Oh, thanks, Michael. Hey, NANABOOZHOO. Yeah, what can I do for you today, Michael? I want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. Hee hee. Okay. Today we're talking about Minique. Drink. A Minique is a drink. Is Minique a drink or to drink? It's to drink. It's a verb. Drink is Minique. And then how do you say I'm thirsty? We say Ninunde Minique. I am thirsty, or I need to drink. Nunde is need to. So if you need to let's say you need to drink. We'll say Noonday Minique. Noonday Minique. Noonday Minique. Noonday Minique. Hee hee. Shamoa. Beep beep beep. Okay. I'm going to write a song too. You don't write songs, Michael. No, that's ignorant. I'm the king of pop. I know, but other people wrote your music for you. I mean, you had some good musicians write your good songs. But, yeah, you never played guitar or piano or anything. You're just a singer. No, that's ignorant. I'm the king of pop. Well, yeah, whatever that means. Are you the king of pop? You know, in Minnesota, that means you're the king of, like, Pepsi. No, don't say Pepsi. I'm scared of Pepsi. Oh, that's right. Sorry. Why is he scared of Pepsi? Well, remember he burned his hair in the Pepsi commercial? No, that's ignorant. Didn't you burn your hair? Well, I burned my hair, but I burned my head, and I was disfigured. That's why I had to get so much plastic surgery. Oh, is that why you got so much plastic surgery? Of course. You know, I was in the Pepsi commercial, and then there was a big explosion, and I burned my face. And so I went to the doctors, and they were like, hey, we're going to fix your face and make you the most beautiful boy. Yeah, they did quite a job, you know. I think you inspired a lot of people to, not get plastic surgery. No, that's ignorant. Okay. So, what else is going on in your life, Michael Jackson? Oh, not much, you know. I've just been playing with my toys, playing in the yard, and I've got a baby carriage I push around. You're pushing around a baby carriage now? No, that's ignorant. I'm playing. Well, yeah, but why would you do that? Well, because all children are beautiful. I see the face of God in every child. Yeah. Yeah, you sure do like kids. So tell us the truth. Did you fake your death or what? No, that's ignorant. I was just taking a long nap, but then I stopped breathing, and so I went to heaven. Hee hee! Oh, you went up to heaven? Of course. Okay. I think there were some people who weren't so sure you'd make it, but not really my place to be, pointing out who's going and who's not. Of course. I'm just a child at heart. Yep, I guess you are. Listen, man, I gotta get going. Okay, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we don't really say goodbye, Michael. I like to say, I will see you again. Gi gawaba min, minawa. Gi gawaba min, minawa, Nanaboozhoo. Yeah, you too, Michael. Gi gawaba min, minawa, Natasha. You too, Michael. See you later, buddy. Hee Shamoa. Well, he seems all right. Yeah, he seems to be doing pretty good. I mean, why wouldn't he? He's in he's in heaven. Yeah. I bet you there's a lot of people who, when he showed up in heaven, who were like, what? They let him in? Yeah. Like, hey, not such an exclusive club after all. I've heard it before that they say when we go to heaven, we're going to be surprised about some of the people we're going to see up there. Yeah, what if you die, you go to heaven, and the first person you see is Hitler? You're like, what? Okay. I got the wrong impression of just how hard it would be to get up here. Let's see what else is going on, sweetie pie. Well, we've got 1,000 years. No, we played 1,000 years. We got a Superman song. Should you play the Superman song? I can't stand to fly. I'm not that... Hey, I was thinking yesterday. What's that? Our firstborn son. Yeah. I think we should name him Jor-El. Jor-El? Not Kal-El? Oh, yeah. We should name him Kal-El. I'm sorry. Jor-El was his dad. You think we should name our son Superman? Yeah, wouldn't it be great for his self-esteem? He'd be like, hey, Dad, what's my name mean? And I go, well, little Kal-El, your name means Superman. Because that's what you are. You're Superman. You're my offspring. Well, we could talk about it. Okay. I'm not married to the idea. But let's put that on the list of possible awesome names for a son. What would be a good name for a daughter? I've always liked Emily. Oh, we should have played Emily for the people. I know. We should have this conversation before as a lead into the song Emily. Should I just play Emily instead? No, we got Superman all queued up. Okay. And Michael's on this too. So, here's a song about a DC superhero. Kal-El. That was his name on Krypton. And because nobody took Greta Thunberg seriously, Krypton exploded. Everybody died of global warming. Here's the story of Kal-El. I should have started it like this. This is the story of Kal-El, the Superman from Krypton. Back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a planet called Krypton, way out in outer space. And this planet was kind of like Earth, It was a sphere spinning in a vacuum of space, falling around and around a sun. But their sun, Jesus, was Miskwa. It was a red sun. They called it the Miskwa Jesus. That's a cool name. Yeah. The red sun. But everybody was not paying attention to the Greta Thunberg of that planet. And so they had global warming and the globe exploded. But in the nick of time, Jor-El, Kal-El's dad, puts him in a rocket ship and says, son, you must go become a Superman. And he shot him off into space, a baby in a rocket. Father Year, that one. And so, little baby Superman, he goes flying through the air, through space, and gravity and all this, and black holes. And then eventually crash lands into a farm in Kansas. And he gets out and he's like, oh, I think I'm in Kansas now. Just the opposite of Dorothy. Yeah, he was the opposite of Dorothy. He crashes into Kansas. And ironically, lands on Dorothy and kills her. Really? Nope. But that would be the ironic justice. If after that whole thing with the Wizard of Oz, Dorothy finally makes it home, she's like, wow. And what happens? Superman crash lands into Earth and right on top of her. And she dies the same way that she killed the witch in the Wizard of Oz. Or something. But anyway, so then he's now in the Yellow Sun universe, and that gives him Superman powers. And he grows up to become Superman. Fighting crime, shooting laser beams out of his eyes, bullets just bouncing off his chest. But he can't let anybody know who he really is. So he comes up with an alter ego. He comes up with an identity. He tells everybody, hey, call me Clark Kent. And he puts on some glasses, and people are like, hey, what happened to Kal-El? He goes, no. See, it's me. But when I put these glasses on, I identify as Clark Kent, mild-mannered reporter. I'm just going to be pieced out, mild. He's just a mild-mannered reporter, sweetie. Yep, nothing riles him up. Nope. And, but then, first sign of trouble, boom. He's, takes those glasses off, takes off his button-up shirt and his blazer, pulls down his pants, and underneath he's got some tights and red underwear on the outside. He steps out and goes, ooh, look at me, Mr. Fancy Pants. And then he flies away and saves the day. But it's lonely being Superman. Is it? Yeah, it's not all it's cracked up to be. Oh, he's more than a bird in a silly red sheet. He's just a man looking for a dream. And here's a song called Superman. I think it's called Superman. Yeah, I think so. By that great band, The Whoever's. And up next, lovely and talented Natasha. Miigwech Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening. Oh, see, this is back in the black and white TV days. You know, back when the first BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO show was taped. Yeah. Oh, look out, it's 9/11. Don't joke about that. Oh, look out. I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. I'm just out to find better part of me. I'm more than a bird. I'm more than a plane. I'm more than some pretty face beside a train, and it's not easy to be me. I wish that I could cry, fall upon my knees, find a way to lie, but a home I'll never see. It may sound absurd, but don't be naive. Even heroes have the right to bleed. You may be disturbed, but don't you conceive. Even heroes have the right to dream, and it's not easy to be me. up and away, but it's alright, and it's alright. We can all stay down tonight.
I'm not crazy.
So you say.
Or anything. I can't stand to fly.
I'm not that naive.
Men weren't meant to ride
With a cloud between their knees.
I'm only a bird, silly red sheep, digging for
Kryptonite on a one-way street.
Only a man in a funny red sheet, looking for special things inside of me.
Inside of me. Inside of me. Yeah. Inside of me. Inside of me.
I'm
More
only
than
a girl in a funny red sheet. Only a girl looking for a dream. I'm only a girl in a funny red sheet. And it's not easy.
It's not easy to be
Oh, sweetie, that was beautiful guitar playing.
Way to go, Niji. Michael Lyons on the guitar. And you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
BOOZHOO!
Okay, BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, good. Did you make it there all right?
Yeah, I sure did.
All right. Well, give me a call if you want me to pick you up.
I sure will. Roger that.
Okay. Whatever. Gigawabba men.
Gigawabba man. So, what's going on? Just thought I'd step outside. You want to step outside, mister? Oh, wow, sure, realist. What am I going to do with you, Meekwetch? Gee, Meekwetch, thank you so much for your generous super chat. You see that, rest of the BOOZHOO crew? Why can't you be more like Surrealist? Nah. I'm going to make everyone turn against Surrealist. But yeah, Mikawanazi. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. And it's not easy to be me. You ever feel that way? You ever feel like it's just not easy being me? It's like, I don't know. How come? Is it easier for everybody else? Is it less of a hassle? Is it just me? I was thinking about this the other day. Sometimes I can't tell if it's grief or depression or anxiety. I've just been crabby. Oh, I'm crabby today. But like I've noticed lately, I get bored. And I hate that. I hate people who say, oh, I'm bored. What are you talking about? Bored? You're boring. That's what you are. But I find myself feeling trapped and lonely and lost and uncomfortable and restless. And I go, what is this? Am I bored to tears? Oh, and they're restless and therefore kind of in a crabby mood. And I go, am I crabby? Am I bored? What's that mean, bored? Does that mean do I have anxiety and just restless and everything seems excruciatingly Like I remember when I was a little girl, growing up in the church. Nah. Wait, I go to church on Saturdays. What am I, Jewish? No. Or I don't know when Jews go to church. But on Sunday mornings, you get up and you go into church. And sometimes sitting in that pew was torturously boring. I was just like, oh. And like my grandma was old school. You couldn't just lie down and take a nap. You had to sit up and pretend to listen to the pastor. I'd be there nodding my fool head. 7-year-old girl pretending I understand. He's reading something out of the Bible and I'm going, oh, sure, that makes sense. Whatever. And inside I'm going, oh, please just let this hour be over. I can't take another second. And then finally, you get to the point where you go, okay, our closing hymn. And you go, oh, great. One more song. Then he'll say a prayer. And then he'll, go in peace. No, he and his wife will walk the whole aisle down so they can shake hands with everybody as they leave the church. And oh, finally, church is over. You get to go out. And then your stupid grandma won't stop talking to the pastor. Hey, I really like what you said about 2 Corinthians 12:14. When I was a... And you're standing in line going, Grandma, please. I just want to leave. I just want to go home, get out of my uncomfortable church clothes, put on my ragged old cut-off jeans, and go outside and play. But my life it's been the bane of my existence, being in places where I just want to go home, be at a job. Oh, you're at a job where, like Tuesday afternoon around 2:30, and you just feel like you're just doing time. You're like, it's not the middle of the week. It's not the Friday. It's not a week. If I can just make it to quitting time, then I'll be happy. If I can just make it until the weekend, then I won't, lose my mind. But it's such a wonderful treat to be in a time and place that you don't care if it ends. Where you're enjoying, where it's fine. You're not looking at the clock going, okay, come on, let me be free. I gotta be free. Freedom. I won't let you down. I will not give you up. But then I think it's probably just me. When I'm not crabby, I never get bored. Everything is kind of amusing. Yeah, and I always think, bored? Use your imagination. Go sing a song. What do you mean bored? But these days, when I've been kind of crabby, because I kind of hate summer. That's what I'm learning about myself. I wait all year long for the leaves to come back, for the birds to return, for the beautiful meadow, for the warm sun, and long days. If you're not from northern Minnesota or Canada, a lot of us know this, but up here in this part of the country, it's dark in the winter. It becomes night at like 5:30. When you drive home from your job at 4:30, there's many weeks where you see just the sun going down with you. You wake up and the sun's coming up as you drive to work, and the sun's going down when you're coming home. And it's cold, and the pipes freeze, and your toes freeze, and everything's a hassle. But I feel like now it was way less crabby in the, the winter dark of late December. Then on these beautiful, sunny July days, 4th of July picnics, bike rides through the park, let's go fly a kite, let's rollerblade, or whatever. And I just can't get with it. I'm like, nah, leave me alone. I don't want to go outside today. It's too sunny. Call me when it's snow raining again. Call me when it's freezing raining. Then I'm going to go for a drive. Because I don't know. Maybe I just become more aware when it's perfect, beautiful, serene weather. And you're just expected to, be sunny day, la la la. But inside, you don't feel that way. You're actually feeling like Charlie Brown when he has that little cloud just over him that rains wherever he walks around. And the rest of the world, it's a sunny, beautiful day, and they're all together enjoying life, all agreeing with each other. And then there's you. One weirdo. Have you ever been? Are you like me? Are you ever the one weirdo that just can't get with it? Why does everybody else having such a great time at this excruciatingly boring 4th of July celebration? Oh, here comes a ridiculously boring parade of mediocrity. Hey there. Oh. Thanks for throwing a sweet tart candy at me. This is some fun we're having, huh? Local residents? Neighbors and friends? There's been times, I've never, maybe it's not loneliness, maybe it's boredom. Not boredom, but actual loneliness. Yeah, it's not boredom, it's loneliness. Because I remember thinking, I never, ever feel lonely. Well, I mean, of course I have NanaBOOZHOO and Michael, but, if I'm by myself anyway, that's not a problem I have unless I'm in a crowd of people and I feel like everybody else is the same and I'm not. I feel like I got watching hockey. Oh, let's go to watch a hockey match. And everybody is participating. Oh. I'm like, what? What? It's freezing in here. You can't see the puck from here. People are drinking in the bleachers. It's a bunch of kids. I don't care who wins. This is stupid. Why would anybody do this? And everybody is. Everybody else does. Yeah, this is great. And I just don't understand why. Am I the only one that feels this way? And then that's when I feel lonely. In crowds where everybody's going to one way and I'm walking the other way. You ever see that poster where it's like all the fish are going one direction and there's one fish going the other way? I feel like that sometimes. Do you guys all know something I don't? Why? What? Everybody's like, oh, it's so exciting. And I can't get with it. But haven't seen her lot. And then you always get to the point where you go, if the whole world seems like they're all the crazy ones, doesn't it stand to reason that actually maybe it's you? Everybody else is the same way and you're the one. Every crazy person thinks they're the only sane person. You doctors are the crazy ones. Let me out of here. Every insane person, they think they're the genius. Every evil genius, they're going to rule the world because, it's kind of evil, but also they believe they're the smartest and whatever. They don't think of themselves as the bad guy. It's like, I'm not crazy. Everyone else in the whole world. But I'm like that sometimes with all these conspiracy theories. It's like, no, I really don't believe in outer space anymore. I used to, I don't anymore. And, I know I'm not the only one, but in my real life, I'm the only one. With people actually know. It's like everybody else is on one wavelength. Oh, no, wait, no. I don't believe in dinosaurs. I don't believe in Antarctica. I don't believe in outer space. I don't believe in aliens. I don't believe in the Big Bang. I don't believe in Mars being a ball. But every crazy person thinks, oh, I know the truth. Everyone else is deluded. They're the crazy ones believing in whatever. But, this is why the Ojibwe way, they all say, you gotta be humble. Nabwakawin. Dabadane Dizzy-win. Humility. It's one of the 7 Anishinaabe values. And the wolf, Ma'ingan, he's the one who represents humility. And I think, wolves are humble because they're so beautiful, if you really think about it. They're like these big, gray, sometimes kind of tannish. There's different colored wolves. They're like great big sled dogs. What are those things called? Huskies. And they're just like purebred dog. They're like all the best features of a dog. Yes, I know everybody loves pugs. But a pug is not a real dog. It's some sort of weird mutant of a wolf. So wolves are like the, what's the term? Ubermensch? Whatever, the Superman. The perfect, the pure species of canine or whatever. And, but they don't act like you'll never see a wolf at a dog show. They're too humble. You're not going to see a wolf go and get their hair done like a poodle. Wolves are humble. Even when they walk, they get down real low to the ground. They'll run quickly through the long grass so nobody sees them. They're humility. They're not showing off. They don't need to. I saw a wolf once on a bike trail. I was way out in the middle of nowhere on a bike trail walking. Or was I riding a bike? I almost hit a deer once on my bike, but I was on the same bike trail. I think I was walking this day. And a pretty, this medium-sized wolf comes out and just starts walking in front of me. He was up about 20 feet or so. He didn't look at me. You could tell that he came out from the long grass and found himself on the bike trail. Just turned away from me, moved pretty quickly up. Before I knew it, he was 50 yards ahead of me. Then he darted off into the long grass of the field in these woods and just disappeared, reappeared like 100 yards away, looks back at me, this beautiful, majestic Ma'ingan wolf, and I was gone. And I went, oh, wow, that thing moved so differently than every dog I've ever known. Dogs are like, they drops around like big old stupid tongue hanging out, panting. This wolf, he was on a mission. He wasn't screwing around. He was not afraid of me, but he, he also walked real low, like he was hunting. I was like, oh, yikes, a big old wolf. It's like being in a zoo with no No cage in front of you. Okay. And it was pretty cool, though. Anyway, why am I talking about wolves? I don't know. I better say a prayer. Once again, we didn't start our show with a prayer. I really should do this before we try to do a show, but whatever. Getchi manadu. Teka otapana niwi asema. Great Spirit, please accept my tobacco. Getchi manadu. Mikwech ka iji kakina geku. Ka iji chikea nun gum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Mikwech ka niwi bamarasiyan. Thank you for my life. Mikwech ka iji wepak. Thank you for this weather. Mikwech ka kake niwi kashkenda moen. Thank you for healing my grief. Mikwech for the memories. Do 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 do. La dee 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 dum. Ho ho ka hey. Mikwech anyway. And mikwech bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening. Apenge. Amen. Well, I suppose. Better get back to the old man. He's going to start to worry. He's going to think I left him. He's going to think I ran off with a richer man. I'm just considering it. Nah.
Okay, BOOZHOO.
Well, hello, sweetie.
Hey, you want to come home?
Yeah, would you pick me up?
I'm going to pick you up in my teleporter.
Okay.
Now, hang on. I'm just going to scan for your coordinates.
All right.
Now, don't move.
I won't.
That's 1 to teleport.
Make it so. Number 1. Nah.
Hey there.
Hi.
How was it out there?
Oh, just gorgeous. I think that little meadowy field might be my favorite place.
Yeah, it's pretty peaceful, isn't it?
It really is. I love the flowers. But,
What'd you talk about?
I think about being crabby. Basically being depressed.
Oh, really?
Well, I just kind of was thinking out loud. Hey, we got $100 from Surrealist again.
Hey, Chimiguan Surrealist.
Thank you so much. La la dee dee dee. We're in the Junior. We got a lot of what it takes to get along. Do 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 do. Support us at Patreon or PayPal or your GoFundMe page. And you can order Ojibwe language books and comics at Amazon.com.
Ma.
Yeah, that's how Metallica would sing it. At Amazon.com. Well, what did we learn today, kids? We learned that we couldn't be bothered to update the day of the week. But yesterday was Bijanago. Yesterday was Nijo Gisha Good was the second day. Bijanago, yesterday. But today, Noom Noom, Minakwe, drink. Noonday Minakwe, I am thirsty. Noonday Minakwe, need to drink. And the black medicine water that so many people drink. Minute. Makade Bashkiki Wabu. Black medicine water. Makade mush kiki waboo, makade mush kiki waboo. Niwi aeon, makade mush kiki waboo. Black medicine water or coffee. And I think that's all anybody learned today.
That's all I learned.
Yeah. You want to add anything before I sign out?
Nope, that's pretty good.
Okay. Michael Lyons,
Yeah.
you got any final departing words of wisdom from the rockstar cartoonist for the people?
Just tell him I said thanks.
I think you just did.
Thanks, everyone.
Hey, everybody. From the bottom of my heart, just want to say, miigwech bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech gonawabi egg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This over here, Hoa, is the star of the show, NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech, everyone. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.
And then over there, the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Ki go up a minute. Sweetie pie.
When to teleport.
See you tomorrow. Make it so number one.